Hello and welcome to Inspire TV. This is me Siddharth Vijay moving forward with the news. India and Pakistan move forward to resolve the issue of pending assignment visas, which has been a problem for more than 2 years. Both the countries will grant the pending assignment visas. Both the countries have come to an agreement to approve all the pending assignment visas for diplomats on June 16.
Near BJP's office in Kolkata, police found 51 crude bombs. Yes, you heard it right. 51 crude bombs were found near BJP's office in Kolkata around 8 pm on Saturday evening. The police are looking into the matter with the help of CCTV footages and other means. It is still unclear who set off the bombs or why the bombs were set off.
West Bengal issuing vaccination certificate with the photo of Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee. As government has started obtaining vaccines directly from the manufacturers, the certificates of COVID-19 vaccination is being issued with the photo of Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee in West Bengal.
Over 25,000 metric ton liquid oxygen have been delivered across the country so far, said Indian Railway Ministry. Indian Railways have been delivering liquid oxygen to various states and union territories. Over 25,000 metric ton liquid oxygen have been delivered across the country so far. The ministry said that 368 trains have completed their journey and brought relief.
40 years and above to be vaccinated in Kerala. Kerala's Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan stated on Saturday that the first dosage of vaccine will be given to everyone above 40 by July 15, and a vigorous campaign will be launched to meet the target.
G7 nations gathered to discuss uniform minimum corporate tax. The ministers from the 7 nations of Canada, Germany, France, Italy, Japan, UK and US gather in order to discuss the prospect of a uniform minimum corporate tax to prevent some of the richest multinational companies from exploiting cross-border tax loopholes. They decided to enforce a global corporate tax rate of at least 15% to ensure that taxes were paid in all the countries where the businesses operated.
Legendary sprinter Mika Singh was found COVID positive on Thursday and was admitted in Chandigarh Hospital. PM Narendra Modi wishes him for his speedy recovery, and on Saturday, doctors said that his health is improving, but he is still on oxygen support.
Himachal Pradesh extends Corona curfew. Himachal Pradesh extends Corona curfew till 14th of June during ongoing pandemic. This decision was taken after having meeting with cabinet minister.
Tree plantation campaign started by the Uttarakhand Police. On the occasion of World Environment Day, the Uttarakhand Police have started a campaign of planting 1 lakh trees till June 16. Under this campaign, saplings will be planted on police stations, police lines, outposts and corps. The campaign will end at Harela Festival on June 16.
PM Modi, ecology and economy can go together. PM Modi on 5th June said economy and ecology can go together, and this is the path India has chosen to set an example to the world through its multiple actions.
Upper Ganga Canal closed for cleanup drive. The Aligarh district authorities have called for a closure of the Upper Ganga Canal. Due to large-scale dumping of illicit liquor in the Upper Ganga Canal, the canal has been closed for cleanup drive.
After Venkaiah Naidu, Twitter removes verified blue tick from RSS Mohan Bhagwat's account due to inactivity. He has 20.76 lakh followers on Twitter.
In 9th month, highest discount in gold prices in India. Gold dealer in India offered biggest discount in this week. As of the COVID-19 restrictions are hampering on gold consumption across the country, bullion dealer said that prices is right for abroad but expensive for the local market.
Tamil Nadu government announced cancellation of class 12 board exams. Amid COVID-19, Tamil Nadu CM M.K. Stalin on 5th June declared the cancellation of class 12 state board exams. He also urges PM Modi to cancel all national level entrance tests and allow Tamil Nadu to fill seats of professional courses including MBBS on the basis of class 12 results.
That's all for today. For more updates, keep watching Inspire TV. Thank you.